the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 versus the Pirelli Cinturato C3, a clash of UHP performance against touring innovation. Can the all-new touring Cinturato C3 challenge the legendary Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Al Volante's 2025 summer tyre test. In wet conditions, it's almost too close to call. Both tyres stop exactly at 29.4 meters in wet braking, no difference at all. In wet handling, the Cinturato C3 edges with a tiny win, completing the lap 0.16 seconds faster. Meanwhile, in straight-line aquaplaning, the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 holds a slight 0.2 km/h speed advantage. Bottom line, in wet performance, it's a dead heat. Moving to dry roads, both tyres again stop exactly at 36.9 meters in emergency braking. No separation here either, another tie. In exterior noise testing, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 is slightly quieter, recording 1 decibel less than the Cinturato C3. That's a small 1% edge in noise reduction for the Eagle F1. When it comes to efficiency, the Pirelli Cinturato C3 fights back really strong. It shows an 18% improvement in rolling resistance over the Goodyear, a major advantage for long-distance drivers and EV users looking to maximize range. And finally, at the checkout, in the 225/55 R18 size, the Cinturato C3 comes 4% cheaper than the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6. In summary, despite coming from the touring segment, the impressive Pirelli Cinturato C3 stood its ground against the ultra-high-performance Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6, matching it in wet and dry braking, staying neck and neck in handling and aquaplaning, delivering better rolling resistance, and even offering better value at purchase.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.